What does Zapier actually do? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Caleb King, and today we're going to be talking about one of the more popular integration tools out on the market, Zapier. Some people say Zapier. I'm saying Zapier for this video, and that's what we're going to go with. Before we dive into what is Zapier, I want to make sure we cover our bases. Let's talk about what is an integration. Pretty much every SaaS tool out there at some point is going to mention their integrations. And all that is to me is, hey, I can connect with HubSpot, Salesforce, Notion, Google Drive, Slab, Jira, Confluence, Trello. If it's a popular tool, you probably want to be able to integrate into it. Now, there's two types of integrations I won't dive into too much, but there's data sharing. Tool number one automatically sends data to tool number two, and triggers. Tool number one makes something happen in tool number two. So real life dating sharing scenario, most marketing teams use HubSpot. Most sales teams use Salesforce. HubSpot is a marketing system of record. Salesforce is a sales system of record. See where I'm going with this? Now, often those teams need to share data so they can make the best business decisions. Marketing might be running a campaign against existing customers with contracts up for renewal. Sales might want to know who has engaged the most with marketing emails so they can reach out for upsells. So HubSpot data needs to be in Salesforce. Salesforce data needs to be in HubSpot. If you work with either of these tools, they'll both brag about how we seamlessly integrate with one another because as a business, they know people use these softwares. They need to play well together. So that's data sharing. Triggers is the other one that you've probably seen a lot of. Real life scenario here would be, let's say, Jira and Slack. You are doing software development. You are done with your code. You move your code from code review to ready to release. It's ready to go to production. And let's just say you work in an organization where everything is really happening in Slack. So with Slack, you might want to get a message when a status of a Jira ticket changes. And so tool number one makes something happen in tool number two. Status changes in Jira, send a message in Slack in this channel, tag these people, say this is what the message is so I can get a quick update of what's going on. Now, how integrations work under the hood, really guys, at its core, when a company builds an integration, what they're really doing is creating automation around another tool's available APIs. Zapier, it's really integration for the people. It lets you connect a tool to another tool without writing any code. Now, real life scenario. Like many of you who hopefully are paying for the People in Tech blog to dive into this further, reasons beyond my understanding. I get it. Sometimes it's money. Sometimes, Caleb, that's not right now. I don't need your information. But when subscribers cancel, and outside of me going in a corner and crying, I like to understand why they're canceling.
Why?
So what I created was a automatic send email system where whoever cancels, I ask them, what could we have done better? And instead of writing a whole bunch of code to do that, Zapier makes that pretty easy. So Stripe is my payment provider, for example, so you can have data on when people cancel. And I use Gmail to send emails from my account. Getting this done as simple as picking the apps that you want to integrate, choosing what event or data you want to trigger based off of, and then adding whatever steps you want in between. There's something like 5,000 different apps on Zapier at this point. Some are popular, well supported, Stripe, Gmail. Others are less. You really saw a lot of people use OpenAI and Zapier to do some really cool AI things, which stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe because we will be doing hands-on tutorials of how you can automate things using a tool like Zapier or what I might use, make.com. But let us know, what did we miss? What do you want to see us cover? Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more. Check out.